Welcome to Talbot Avenue in Little Lever. Beautiful property set within the head of a cul-de-sac, close to many local amenities and schools. Beautiful grassed area to the front there. This property is superb. It's been extended. There are 3 bedrooms, could potentially be 4, which I'll show you once we've been inside. And it's got a stunning garden as well. Let's take a look inside to see what else is on offer. Entering into the property to the entrance hallway, which is a good size, great for storing coats, for storing shoes, etc. Double glazed window there to the front. From here onwards, enter through a door to one of 2 hallways. So we've got this integral one here, and then we've got the main hallway here, which leads up to the first floor. Loads of room, absolutely loads of room in here. So we'll have a look at the lounge first of all. Lounge is a super size. As you see, lovely double glazed window overlooking the front of the property there. Living flame gas fire. Absolutely fantastic size. From the lounge, head out back into the hallway and we'll go into the kitchen. Kitchen is a kitchen diner. Got a range of fitted wall and base units. There's an extractor fan, integrated fridge freezer. We do have a utility area, which I will show you shortly. We've got double glazed French doors which lead out to the low maintenance part of the garden, which again we'll have a look at soon. So from the kitchen we'll go into the sitting room. It's more like a sitting stroke dining room. Again, wonderful size. This is part of an extension. Lovely patio doors there, opening out onto the decking to take us to this beautiful garden at the rear there. Loads of room in here. Table for 6 people. And plenty of sitting space. To the ground floor, we also have a family bathroom. This bathroom is a 4-piece suite. So we've got the panel bath there, WC, sink, and a walk-in shower cubicle. Everything a family needs. 2 bedrooms to this ground floor. So this bedroom, which I have classed as bedroom 3, as you can see, it's a double bedroom. Plenty of space in here for free range, freestanding fitted units. Double glazed window to the front. Bedroom 2. This has fitted wardrobes. It's got a double glazed window to the rear. And again, plenty of room in here. Easily walk to and fro past the bed. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got upstairs. On the first floor landing, we have another bedroom, and we have a study room which could be made, or an office, which could easily be made into another bedroom. We'll have a look at that in a moment. But the main bedroom, again, super size. We've got a double glazed skylight there, overlooking the rear, and one also to the front. Plenty of storage room. Again, loads of room to walk past the bed, so it's a really good size room. Storage into the eaves. Lovely, lovely, lovely bedroom. From here, back out into the landing, we've got a shower room. So this is a 3-piece shower room. So we've got the WC, pencil sink, and a walk-in shower cubicle. Again, with a skylight over to the front. Now, this room could easily be made into a 4th bedroom. So here we've got an office stroke study area. You can see how good size it is. Window, nice bright day out there, overlooking the garden. But to make this into another bedroom, as you can see, it looks like our clients have used this to a degree as another room. But to officially make it into another room, you just need to partition off the wall here and to create a doorway, and then that's your fourth bedroom. Right, let's go and have a look at the garden. Okay, stepping out of the French doors from the kitchen, we've got a low maintenance garden area, great for seating. Here, as you heard me mention beforehand, we do have a utility area. In here, it's absolutely superb. Gets all your noisy machines out of the way, your wash machines there, your dryers there. The boiler's here, Valent boiler, really good make. And really, really handy space. Very handy space indeed. Space for a fridge, space for a freezer. Stainless steel sink there. Okay, into the garden. So, we've got the low maintenance patio area here. From here, walk down past the shed, down the rear of the property to the side. We have a greenhouse, and we have a fantastic lawned garden. Now, before we go and have a look down there, the weather's not the greatest, as we can appreciate, apart from the sun, but decking area, and you've got doors there, sliding patio doors, which we saw from beforehand, leading into the sitting room, dining room area. So great to sit out on a nice sunny day like we have today. I like it a bit warmer, but fantastic spot. Okay, the garden itself, wonderful sized garden, plenty of lawned area. I have seen photographs of the property in the spring and the summer, and I can assure you it is full of beautiful plants. We'll see if we can put some of those in the brochure or on the internet. But a fantastic garden, and it goes back quite a way. There's various things you could do. We'll leave that up to you guys. But no, super family home. For any further information, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's on 01204 381 281.